What's up, everybody? Nate from Sherry Chrysler here. Today we have a 1988, the year I was born, Chevy Corvette. This one's blue in color. Got a little sun fade here in the front bumper, but it detailed out pretty nice. Turbo port injected. Tires look to be in excellent shape. I know if I owned it, they wouldn't be. There's a soft top, very easy to put down. Interiors and about the same shape as the outside. Pretty good, pretty good. Got a little wear and tear, but it's an 88. I got a little wear and tear on me too. It's like a time machine in here. Somebody wants this thing. CD player, custom. Climate controls. Now this is what you'll want, the 4-speed. Your dash, your e-brake, your Corvette emblem. Maybe they'll have pictures online of this with the top down. If you want videos with the top down, you could always call in, ask for Nate, and I'll definitely send you a text of some videos, email, whatever you need. Just want you to see the whole outside of the car. Again, this is the 1988 Corvette. If you like what you see here, come take it for a ride. Come take it home with you. Come see Nate. Be great and buy a Sherry. Thanks, guys.